Okay, everyone, let us now proceed to Module 3. So, Module 3 is all about editing tools. Okay, so if you already have drawings that you want to modify, then these are the tools that you're going to use. Okay, so to start, we will tackle the move tool, the copy tool, and then the rotate tool in this video. Okay, so let's start with the move tool. Okay, so as you can see here on the ribbon, in the home tab, you have here the modify panel. Okay, so we have move, copy, and rotate. You can um, just click them and then activate them. You can also activate them using the command line. So for move, you can just type M and then press spacebar or enter. Then you can do the same thing. And then for copy, that would be CO. And then for rotate, that would be RO. Okay, you can type the whole word if you want, the whole world. Yeah, the whole word if you want, but yeah, you can just type the initial words. Okay, so let's start with move. So it says in here in the command line, select objects. Okay, if you select this, I want to move this rectangle. I want to coincide this point to this point right here. Okay, so I've already selected my objects. Then I will press spacebar or enter. Then I will specify. You will need to specify the base point. So I will select this one. Then as you can see, I can move it anywhere. Okay, so then I will then snap it on this endpoint of this line. Okay, very cool, right? Okay, so that is basically move. Let's try it again. Okay, so if I select this one, okay, and then press spacebar, enter, and then select this point. So you can select any particular base point. Let's say, for example, I select this base point in space right here. Okay, so you can do that too. Doesn't necessarily have to be a corner of a polygon or something, an endpoint. So you can click anywhere in the graphics window. It's just a reference. Okay, so that is the move tool. So let's now move on to the, let's now move on. Nice. Okay, let's now move on to the copy tool. We have here copy, then select objects, and then press enter or spacebar. Then specify the base point again. Okay, so I want to create a mirror image of this in here. So I will select this one. Then as you can see, a copy is floating around in space, and if I click it here to anchor it, there you have it. Then you can also can create a lot more. Yeah. Kagebunshi no Jutsu, right? Okay. So, okay. So, that's it for the tool. It's the same thing also for the move. You can select a base point anywhere in space. But you can also select using the corners so that to be more exact and precise. Okay. So, let's try the rotation tool. Okay. Okay, let's say we have here, let's say we have, and for the rotation tool, we press RO, and then select objects, and then after selecting objects, enter, then base point, I will select the center. Then as you can see, I can rotate this anywhere I want. Okay, let's say we rotate it about, let's turn on this polar tracking. So let's rotate it about, let's say 45 degrees. Okay, so that is a rotated rectangle about 45 degrees above the horizontal. Okay, so that's how you rotate an object. It doesn't have to be a center again. So if I click here and then I will select this particular base point, then it will be like this. Okay, okay, so we need to do now, there's another technique that you can use. Let's say, for example, that this particular object is already rotated, and you want this particular side, this side right here, to coincide with this line. Okay. So what we need to do first is to move this rectangle here, and then place its corner here. Okay. Then basically we want to move this so that it will be this side will coincide with this side. Okay, so what do? So we type the RO again and then select this object. Then after that, select the base point. This will be my base point. And then, as you can see in the command line, specify rotation angle so that we have copy and reference. So we will use reference. Okay, so we'll press R. And then specify the reference angle. So I will choose this first point. This will be the pivot point, and then the second will be specify the second point. This will be my second point, and as you can see, I can now move it like this. Okay, so if I click the endpoint of this line, then it coincides with the line. Okay, so that is a very useful tool that rotate and then reference, especially in surveying. When you rotate your side shots to when you want to orient them in different orientation. Let's say, for example, you want to change the bearing of your shots or like that. So that is a very useful tool. And yeah, so that's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.